But now I'm going to teach you a new method to check whether that whole numbers to see whether it's divisible by 4. Okay, firstly, I check about the 100, 200, and 300, and 400 to see whether it is divisible by 4. So 100 is divided by 4 equals to 25. 200 divided by 4 equals to 50. 300 divided by 4 equals to 75. And then 400 divided by 4 will be 100. How about 500 divided by 4? 150. So etc. You can check any of the multiples of 100 to see whether it is divisible by 4. So actually you can find out that all the multiples okay 倍數啦 all the multiples of 100 okay will be divisible by 4. okay 所有8嘅倍數係被4除得盡嘅。Okay, now I only focus on the multiples of 100. How about this number 214? Okay, whether it is divisible by 4. So you can check in this way. Okay, so 214, so you can say that okay divided by 4, you can check in this way, and then 4 and 4 again. Okay, it is divisible by 4. So actually I can split it into two numbers. One is multiple of 100 and other one is 16. Okay, actually if both of them is divisible by 4, then they add up must be divisible by 4. Now 200 must be divisible by 4 because I just proved that. Okay, all the multiples of 100 will be divisible by 4, right? Then you check the rest, the second number, you add up. So you need to add 16, become 216, right? Then 16 is divisible by 4 as well. Then finally, the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, that is the rules here. Okay, if the number, okay, formed by the last two digits, okay, if divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so that is the how to test whether a number is divisible by 4. Okay, go to the next page, page 11. So let's check whether it is divisible by 4. Okay, 678. Okay, so we just check the last two digits because 600 must be divisible by 4. So we check whether 78 is it divisible by 4. Okay, so you check. So it should not. Okay, then this one is not divisible by 4. Okay, another one, you can split as 1000 and the last two digits is 24. So 1000 must be divisible by 4. 24 is also divisible by 4. Okay, so this one is yes. Okay. How about 7,554? Okay, so 7,000 okay must be divisible by 4. 500 also divisible by 4, and then we just check 54. So 54 is not divisible by 4. So this answer is no. Okay, actually, you can just check the last two digits. You just check the last two digits. Okay, actually, the box on the last page, you just check the last two digits to see whether divisible by 4. Then, okay, the whole number just follow the last two digits. So you just check the last two digits. 92. So 92 is it divisible by 4? Okay, yes. 92 divided by 4 will be 23. So this one is yes. So that is how to check whether that whole number is divisible by 4. Just check the last two digits, 最後嗰兩個位嗰個數 is it divisible by 4? Okay. Similar to test whether the numbers is divisible by 8. Okay, so this time divisible by 8, we check the multiples of 1000. Okay, because 100 is not divisible by 8. 200 is not. 200 is 200 is divisible by 8. So let me check. 200 is yes, but 300 is no. Not many of the 100 is divisible by 8. So we check the 1000. Okay, so 1000 divisible by 8 will be equals to 125, and then 2000 divisible divided by 8 is 250. 3000 divided by 8 is 375. 4000 is 500, etc. You can try 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Okay, you will see that all the multiples of 1000, okay, will be divisible 除得盡啦 by 8. So this time check this one. 2104 is it divisible by 8? Okay, so this time we split it as 2104. 2000 plus 104. So this time 2000 is already divisible by 8. To check whether 104. Okay, 104 divided by 8 is 13. So this one is divisible by 8. So here, okay, yes, this number is divisible by 8. So this time we check the last three digits, because for the multiples of 1000 is already divisible by 8. Okay, so for 1000 digit, okay, then you check the last three digit with that means up to the 100. Okay, 1 2 3, check up to the 100 digit. So if that number is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay, so let's do example 25 together. So check the last three digits. Okay, so actually 016 is 16. 16 is divisible by 8. Then this one is yes. Okay, because 16 is divisible by 8. We just check the last three digits. So the last three digits, 122, is it divisible by 8? So you try. 122 divided by 8 should be 15. We still have the remainder, 15 point something. So this one is low because 122 is not divisible by 8. Check the last three digits. 204. 204, is it divisible by 8? So 204 divided by 8 to 25 point something. So low. Last three digits. How about 408? Yes, 408 is divisible by 8. It is 51, right? So yes, this one divisible by 8. Okay, just check the last three digits for 8.